Alright, this is the new Ring Video Doorbell 2, and today we're just going to be doing a quick unboxing. The Doorbell 2 is pretty a more improved version of the Video Doorbell 1, so let's just see what we have inside. We're just going to dig in right away. Okay, I always advise for people to try to break seals as carefully as they can, you know, just in case you have some warranty issues. It's easier for you to take it back to the manufacturer. So I've broken the seal, have one on that side, and we have another seal on this side, and just gonna break that smoothly, and then we'll dig in. Okay, so it's got an internal box on this side, and here we have the Ring Video Doorbell. It's got a manual. I think I'm just going to read this later, so I'll put this by the side. And this is a sticker. Well, it's always very important when you have a surveillance device for you to let people know that there is a surveillance device in your home or in your office or wherever. So this sticker is supposed to be stuck somewhere outside for people to know that there is a surveillance device. This is a mounting kit for your wall. And it comes pretty with virtually everything you need to mount the device, and I think that's a really good one. Let's see what you got. It says install tools, so there's some tools that you need. Oh wow. So even if you didn't have a screwdriver or probably some bits for your drill and all that, it all comes in one. And the actual product itself, whoops, let's see what it looks like. Way smaller than I thought. I thought it was going to be a little bigger. So that's the Ring doorbell that you have here. And for this particular model, the Doorbell 2, it has a battery that one can easily, a detachable battery. So it's easier for you to take off the battery and charge, unlike the Doorbell series, the first series that came, where you need to physically put power on this. But this comes with a rechargeable battery on this side, and I'm sure you can just latch it off and on. So, well, all in all, for our first video today, this is the Ring Video Doorbell 2, and we just did an unboxing. Our next video, what we're going to be doing is trying to put all of this together, set it up, and let you know exactly how it's going to work. So thank you very much. This is Ring Video Doorbell from iStickart. Thank you.